Okay, it's a great pleasure to be part of the 20th anniversary celebration of the AMRC. A truly fantastic achievement by everybody involved and a remarkable journey. And it's a testament really to the vision that Keith and Adi had all those years ago for the future of manufacturing in the UK. About 15 years ago, BAE Systems were approached by the AMRC to see if we wanted to become a member. We didn't really know much about the centre, so we gave them a challenge to overcome a manufacturing issue we had at the time. And I've got to say the response we had was actually really impressive. So at that point, we decided to join as a member of the AMRC, and we haven't looked back since. So for me, the greatest strength of the AMRC are the people. They have some real world-class leaders in their field, and they are a fantastic team to work with. Over the years, we've developed some great partnerships and relationships, which I have no doubt will last for a long time. As a company, BAE Systems are proud to be associated with the AMRC. We have a very strong relationship that I have no doubt will continue to flourish in the years to come as we move into the next phase of transforming UK manufacturing.